Welcome to the LG Customer Support Channel. Your LG top-mount refrigerator shares an air channel between the refrigerator and freezer, which may cause the freezer door gasket to flex or open when closing the refrigerator door. Freezer door gasket flexing or slight opening is normal. You may encounter 3 different scenarios due to the design of these top freezer refrigerators. Scenario 1. When closing the refrigerator door, the freezer door gasket flexes outward, but the door does not open. This is normal and no corrective action is required. Scenario 2. When closing the refrigerator door, the freezer door opens slightly and then closes by itself. This is also normal and no action is required. Scenario 3. When closing the refrigerator door, the freezer door opens slightly and stays open. This can be corrected by raising the front leveling legs to give the refrigerator a slight backward tilt. Your refrigerator has 2 front leveling screws, one on the right and one on the left. Turn the leveling screw clockwise to raise the side of the refrigerator. It may take several turns of the leveling screw to adjust the tilt of the refrigerator. Raising the legs by 1/4 to 1/2 inches should help the freezer door close after popping open. Depending on the flatness of your floor, more or less adjustment may be required to provide enough backward tilt for the freezer door to close on its own. Close the refrigerator door after raising the legs to verify proper automatic closing of the freezer door. When finished, use a level to verify the side-to-side level of the unit. To see other videos about this refrigerator model, please visit our YouTube page or our website at lg.com.